Alright, we're here. Welcome to Texas. The reflective makes it look like an old TV. Alright, so here we are. Truck is here. I had to raise the suspension because you see this drop off? I don't know if I can even get it on camera. You see that? How high that is? I put it on high suspension mode so I could drop down. And here you go. Alright, here we go. Let's get back up on the curb and go. I never understood this construction and the GPS because I've been to Texas before. They're working on these highways or interstates or whatever, and they'll tell you to randomly exit, but you're stuck in this construction thing, and they'll tell you to take the ramp to get back on, and they'll tell you to exit again and tell you to take the ramp again. It's really weird. Like, you can see the line is just straight. Like, you have no other option. Like, you have nowhere else you can go. And this construction makes you go on this rumble strips, which sounds scary because it sounds like you're going off the road. But yeah, I don't know. They're always working on these roads every time I'm in Texas. So yeah. So Texas doesn't do anything special with their signs. It's just a white rectangle. That's it. Okay, we got Texas 648, so you can see the tax. And yeah, let's stick it on the. Okay, the Texas is very not to scale. Look how small that is. I'm pretty sure this is the right one for the set, but that thing is tiny. Texas is supposed to come all the way over here. Well, that's what we got. Okay, time to continue. Texas likes that shape of water tower. It's like a Gulf T. I don't know what flag that is. Green. Whoa, what is that? There's Buc-ee's. People keep saying to go to a Buc-ee's. There's a giant like gas station and like kind of like a Costco Walmart thing attached, I think. Look at these highways so high off the ground. Jeez, look, they're like all intersecting. There's the big Texas flag over there. There's the US next to the Texas flag. Okay, they have a lot of these like lane things where they like close or charge some toll and stuff. I don't know how they figure out how much. I don't have the thingy, so I guess I'm gonna get some toll things in the mail eventually. We'll see. Papa do. Okay, we're heading into some place here. I was talking with someone while charging and they said to visit Deep Ellum at night. So we'll see. They said it's all well lit up. What is that? There's a floating ball. Look at that floating ball up there. It's like a soccer ball. Oh, it turned off. Oh, there we go.
In 1,000 feet, keep left toward interstate.
Look at that ball.
In 1 mile, take
Look at that building. Showing something on that building. Looked like a T-Mobile T. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Like the letters are going across. Interesting. Going in a tunnel. They had the fans blowing in there. Under the bridges. All these lights on. I think they're mostly closed now. Got all these restaurants and stuff. Got some murals on the walls. Yep, I think the place is all closed now. There's like murals on all the
in
walls.
500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
So many murals all over. If it was brighter out, I'd be able to see more, but it's too dark right now. Yeah, you can see there's like murals on all the walls.
Now turn right onto South Wall Street.
Murals there. There's some murals there. Oh, they're doing some road work here. Whole walls all painted. Building with a face. Be careful, it looks like there's a lot of homeless in the street.
In 500 feet.
These tunnels. Going up this bridge. Oops, I should close this so the water doesn't fly in. Going back the other way. Towards the city. Some horses there. There's a bridge over there. I don't know if we're going to be going over it. I'm going to be charging at this fuel city. Welcome, you are home. Watch that ball spin. Oh, never mind. Alright, we're here at the charger in Texas. You see that building over there? Somebody must have either been dropped here or needs to be towed. Weird thing, you know how I said incompetent installers? They give this ginormous parking spot, but you can only park really close, otherwise this won't even reach. Look at this. Maybe it's just because it's the Cybertruck, because the charger port is like here, but still, it's pretty crazy. I thought those were statues. There's real actual, there's real actual like Longhorn. Look at how long those horns are. Oh my god. There's a Sasquatch in there. No trespassing.